So what does 20 gallons of honey look like? 4 5-gallon drums. There's my old hand crank honey spinner. I now have the Hilco 18 frame spinner. There's my table for decapping. And so what does 40 gallons yield? 40 gallons yields 60 pounds per 5-gallon bucket. That's 120 pounds for 2 5-gallon buckets and 240 pounds for 4 or 5-gallon buckets. So what does that yield? That's, if you sell your honey at $10 a bottle, which is what market rate is for honey, that yields you $2,400 worth of honey. Not bad for a third harvest. My first harvest was 2.5 gallons. My second harvest was 4.5 gallons. This year I went into the season with 2 hives of bees. I propagated my bees, ended up with 6 super active hives, and was able to harvest the 240 pounds of honey from 6 hives of honeybees. Well, thank you very much, friends and family, for visiting Heritage Oaks Ranch. We look forward to making more bee videos and hope to give wisdom on how to raise better and larger colonies of bees. And have a blessed day. Thanks from Heritage Oaks Ranch.